Hi, I'm Dean Stevens from Rejuvenation Solutions. This is a project we've had going at Centennial Park. This project here was heavily affected with mould, which took our 6-step unique cleaning system to restore. The first thing we want to do is pressure wash the stone. The next step is to apply our peroxide. The peroxide is going to kill that mould. The next step is a product that's going to help break down the soiling. The next step is applying chlorine. The chlorine simply just bleaches the surface. That is then washed away. The most crucial step, neutralising. What this does is get your stone back to a neutral pH and removes all remaining residue. This here will keep your stone cleaner for longer and most importantly, looks after your stone. The next step is to seal your stone. Now, depending on what type of stone you have will depend on what particular penetrating sealer we use. For this circumstance, sandstone. Sandstone is prone to salt fretting. So what we like to do is put down a consolidator. A consolidator will densify your sandstone and stop it from salt fretting. Once that's been applied, we then put on another penetrating sealer which is going to work for your stains as well as organic matter. This product does contain antimicrobial agents, but will not stop mould from growing. Simply by cleaning your stone on a regular basis and having it correctly cleaned will prolong the life of your stone and help keep it cleaner for longer.